how to make a fandom wiki page. Hello and welcome to our channel WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a fandom wiki page. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to fandom.com, or you can simply click the link on the description below. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page. And from here, if you don't know Fandom, it is a website that hosts a vast network of fan-driven wikis dedicated to various topics including movies, TV shows, video games, books, and many more. It serves as a platform for fans to create and collaborate on content related to their favorite media properties and interests. And some of the key features of Fandom includes fan wikis, comprehensive information, community engagement, fan creations, collaboration, and many more. And now, to start creating a wiki on this fandom, just click this button that says Start a Wiki on the left side panel. And after that, from here, all you need to do is to fill out all of the required information, such as to name your community. So for example, I'm going to enter Starbucks 2, which is inspired for the Starbucks brand, which below you will see the existing community right here. And now to proceed, just click the next button below and you will be directed on this next stage. And the next thing that you need to do is to describe your community. So from here, I'm just going to paste the information about Starbucks. Then check these boxes below if your community directed to children under the age of 13. And after that, below here, you're also required to choose a hub in which you could choose either games, movies, books, comics, TV, and many more. But I'm going to choose Other. And after that, just proceed by clicking the next button below. And upon clicking on it, it shows us that the community that we're making is currently similar to this existing community. So if that happens, you can choose either of the reason below. So in those reasons, I'm going to choose that this is just a test project or sandbox for my own personal use. And after that, to continue, you are also required to verify your email address. So all you need to do is to go to your email inboxes and just proceed by verifying your email by clicking this button right here. And after verifying your account or your email address, you can now go back to this page. And from here, the next thing that you need to do is to choose a theme that you prefer. We have here Fandom Classic, Blank, Cargo, Nebula, and many more. And in those options, I'm going to choose the Start with Dark mode of Fandom Classic. And after that, just proceed by clicking the button Go to Wiki on the top right corner. And you will be directed on this page. And from here, this is what your community looks like, or your fandom wiki. You have here the title of your community, such as Starbucks 2, and also the overview or description. And below is the important articles that you could also import or enter a page, main detail, a key event, and many more. And from here, you could also navigate a lot of options, such as by clicking the three dots right here, you have the option to edit source, view history, move, purge, protect, or even delete this kind of community. And also, by clicking the three dots also on the top of it, from here you can add new page, upload new file, admin dashboard, go to special pages, analytics, and theme designer. So let's say I'm going to add new page, so kind of click on the add new page option, and from here, the next thing that you need to do is to write your page title right here. So from here, I'm going to enter Unique Drinks 2.0. After that, just click the next button below. And from here, the next thing that you need to do is to customize the content of your new page, the title Unique Drinks 2.0. And as you can see on the top panel, some of the editing tools that you could also navigate. So I'm going to choose this media option, in which it will enable you to upload a media files from your computer by clicking Select a File. And after that, just choose an image or file that you want to upload on this page. And after selecting, it will be directed in here. And after that, just check these boxes below and proceed by clicking the Upload button on the top panel. And from here, you could also name the image that you prefer. And also below, you could also enter the description of it. And after that, just proceed by clicking the Save button on the top panel. And from here, proceed by clicking Use this image button. And after that, it will be directed in here. And as you can see, we have now our new picture for our page, Unique Drinks 2.0. And below that, you could also customize the description or context of this picture. And now, if you feel like you need to add more picture, just do the same process by clicking this icon and proceed by upload, then just select a file from your computer. And after that, just check the boxes below before clicking the upload button on the top panel. Then the next thing that you need to do is to enter the name of it or the details about your picture. And after that, from here, just click Use this image if you want to proceed. And after that, from this page, it will show you the image that you just import. And also, do the same process if you want to add a context of it or if you want to change the size by dragging it down or up to make the picture or image bigger or smaller. And now, if you are now done customizing your new page, to save the changes, just click the Save button below. And after that, the next thing that you need to do is to go back on this homepage of Starbucks 2. And from here, in order to connect the page that we just customized, all you need to do from here is to proceed by clicking the Edit button, and upon clicking on it, you will be directed in here, and below you can now start customizing or attaching the page that you just customized earlier. And you can do that by clicking this link icon right here on the top panel, and below just enter on the search bar the Unique Drinks 2.0 that we just customized. And after that, you will see the hyperlink text below this homepage. And to make it formal, you could also add additional context that will also attract the audience or viewers to click the hyperlink that will be directed to Unique Drinks 2.0. Such as, for example, from here, I'm just going to enter We offers different, then followed by the hyperlink context unique. However, if your hyperlink is color red, that means that the page is not properly connected. And to fix that, just click the hyperlink context, and below the link, just do the same process by clicking Edit. You will be able to be directed on the search bar, and from here, just proceed by entering again the page of Unique Drinks 2.0 and kindly properly select it. And now, as you can see, the hyperlink is not color red since it is now color yellow. Let's say the viewers try to click this hyperlink text, and upon clicking on it, they will be directed on this new page. From here, they will see some of the unique drinks with its images that we just customized. Now moving on to this homepage, from here you could also add or import another or different kind of page by doing the same process of connecting the link of the homepage to our new page that we just customized. And to save this Fandom Wiki page, the next thing that we need to do is to click the Save button below. And to try if the page that we just customized will work, from here, just click this hyperlink text, and after that, you should be directed to this page. So that is just how you can make a Fandom Wiki page. Thank you.